I'll be right on, guys. Just give me 1 minute. Good morning, everyone. I literally woke up like 10 minutes ago. Almost overslept. Thank God my phone rang. Thank God for Sirius XM for calling me. I would have never woken up. I jumped into this one too quick. I didn't wait for the candle to close. I thought this was gonna trap. But what an open. What an open. I guess I should have traded this instead. Barcoding. Okay, let's see. I just want to go wash my face and brush my teeth. And I'll be on. I'm just watching this trade. All right, I'm in. See what happens. Not looking good. Let's see if it holds. Nope. All right, I'll be back, guys. Just gonna give me 2 minutes. Oh, my back. Just in time. All right, well, we need a winner, guys. Otherwise, these accounts will not survive much longer. Damn, of course, a huge candle now. I'm waiting for the candle to close. All right. Please pull back first. Let's see. Can we get a winner here? Get back to break even. Or it's gonna be another loss, and the accounts are gonna be very low on balance. Some of them. Hopefully not the same thing happens as yesterday. Yesterday I also got 44 ticks, and well, I don't know if I have the right chat on. Did I have the right chat? Could someone say something? Oh, never mind. Yeah, I had the wrong chat. I'm like, what are these people talking about? I had an old chat on my screen. Like, why is everyone saying bye? I said I'll be right back. All right, come on, baby. All right, so back to break even now. Let's see if we could get. We need a nice green day, guys, because these accounts were not doing so hot. And it's all right, man. It's relaxed. I'm over it. Just gonna do my best. I got my payouts. The month is set. If I don't get any more payouts this month, then so be it. I'm just trying to make sure I do the right thing moving forward. I guess my only concern is an actual reversal. Like, is the market gonna go down today? But I don't trust it. I don't trust it going down. I feel like these people are just playing games. So until I'm proven wrong, I'm just gonna stick to longs. Obviously, there's gonna be a day where I'm completely wrong and the market's only gonna go down, but I'm glad I didn't move my order up a little bit. I was thinking about moving my order by like 5 ticks or so just to cover commissions. The details on the new Apex deal are the same as the old one. So like the best option right now is the 150k account. So if and CPI this morning was freaking amazing. But what I might do tomorrow is I might pass a couple 150ks. Although I do have a couple 50k evals that I never canceled. So I'll see if I want to buy new ones. But I think the 150K overall is the best deal because for $85 you get to activate it for. So for $125 all in, you get a 150K account or bigger. So you could do 250K, 300K for that same price, which is crazy. But the 150K is much easier to pass than any other ones. I might be too bullish biased. That's very possible. But again, I haven't been proven wrong. All my trades were right. All right, maybe not today, but in the last few days I was red. All my trades were correct. I just did not execute them properly, right? I got out of the trades early, and that's, no one knows where the market's going. So when you think it's going down, stay short biased. I mean, don't use me as entertainment and nothing else, and do the same thing for every other channel you watch. At the end of the day, you have to believe what you see and what you trade. There's no reason why you can't make money shorting today, right? JPS, no, that's not your connection. That's just how trading news is. Trading news is very dangerous because of the trailing drawdown. I wish I was awake. I would have taken the trade on my new top. I have a Top Step X account that I don't have activated that I want to activate. And could have yellowed news on that too. If you trade the CPI news, does it break the rule? Kind of. Depends how much money you've made, right? And how did you trade it? It's very hard to take profit on CPI, so if I make, my $300 on CPI, I don't think that's gonna matter. Oh, Traffy, I know you didn't say that, but I read it wrong, and I'm thinking you might be onto something. So look, we have a lower low, up, and a trap, and now it goes down. The reverse of what I trade on the long side exactly happened here. Good point. Got a lower low, pull back, trap above the highs. I used to buy these highs all the time. This is exactly how I developed the strategy, by the way. So same thing with my ORB. I used to do something different, opposite, and then I was like, wait a minute, why am I doing this when this is happening? So I used to buy like the breakout because I'm like, all right, well, this got trapped. So I used to wait for this to break and I buy it. And I would buy it here and then reverse on me instantly. I've talked about that. It's a good example of that. But I see this now. But when I was buying here, I mean, this is different. This is buying. Sometimes you just have to buy, make sure you're buying before the highs, right? Or you watch the highs carefully. Because sometimes it could go much higher and then pull back. But that's just what I see. I don't know. Today is very bearish, but hey, maybe. Just maybe. We'll get a reversal and it's going to be a very easy win. But again, you guys trade your own way. Whatever you do, is fine, but just don't make fun of me, okay? On an hourly chart, for example, there's a lot of room to go down. My Twitter, if you guys don't follow me on Twitter, follow me on Twitter. I posted something yesterday and I got so many more like, oh, did I just miss that? Well, that's not really a trap though. So I'm just gonna wait. Maybe almost pressed that. Wow. I glazed over the ask. Maybe pull back, and you need more than one pullback to get a reversal unless it's just as a V shape. The 911 is more fun. The Boxster. Hold on, guys. I might be taking this. I know it's a little high up, but this is making a big pullback here and it held up. So the Boxster is just a lot different to drive than the 911. Just a completely different beast. The Boxster, the roof down definitely helps. The sound is better, but the drive itself, the 911 just handles like crazy. Hmm. After how many ticks should I set my stop to break even? What do you guys think? Or should I just not touch it at all? It's like losing on this trade's gonna suck. Probably. Hmm. Do we have any news at 10? Anyone know? We got like 10 seconds. No. All right, now I could be at break even because I think that should have hit my target and it didn't. Very unfortunate. Damn, guys, very unfortunate there. But what are you gonna do? Sometimes that's how life goes. I got 58 ticks. I mean, that's pretty sad if you ask me, but yeah, that's pretty sad. Well, yeah, I wasn't a loser, but it should have been a winner, right? My entry should have been a little bit lower, and that's exactly 60 ticks. So go between 55 ticks might not be a bad idea. Maybe we need to secure some winners first. Yeah, here. Can you send me your P&L from that? You can send me your P&L, how much money you've made, and how much money did you make on that? Otherwise, who cares, right? No, you're gonna set if you. Yeah, your payouts if you wanna do that, but that's fine. If you send me your payouts, then yeah. But when you say it 3 times, you don't do anyone anything good. I don't know if you understand that. Because when I'm right, I don't tell anyone I told you 3 times. Right? That's not what trading is about. Trading is about finding yourself and what you believe in. I was 2 ticks away from getting my take profit. Like, it could have won an extra 2 ticks. I got a little late on my entry here. Am I trading all day today? Longer today than last few days, yes. Finally have a little bit lesser of a busy, less of a busy day. I'm gonna have to step away for a couple times, but okay, yeah, you're a good job. But you've only traded for 10 days, right? That means you've blown accounts. And there's nothing wrong with that. I mean, that's what I used to do. I don't know what I don't understand what the yeah, you did a good day. You had a good day. But and you're not, you're not new to my channel, so it's not like that's why I'm kind of picking on you, because you're not new to my channel and you know how we do here. We don't want the I told you so, right? If you think this was a rejection, if you think this was resistance, if you say it once, whatever, that's great. But saying it 3 times, and then saying that I said it 3 times is not. Oh man. But then that would have put us nicely green on the day. Unfortunate. I was sure that was gonna hit. Once this held the pullback, I was sure this was gonna hit. Say you have 8 trading days and needed 2 more to request current period. Can you only trade 2 days and stop trading until next payout request period? Yeah. You just need 10 trading days total. Close but no cigar. You will not be able to request the 4th one, Raphael. You can only activate 3. Like my ball knocks, see, like I need to get this account to 2600 and then I'll be able to activate another one. I have 2 more passed or close to it. At least 1 more passed, and then so I need to get this to 2600, and then once I get at 2600 I'll be able to activate a 5th one and it will be good. Andy, no, you do not. Razi, I was told that everyone gets an email. So that's weird. I was told that everyone gets an email. Yeah, definitely a weekday. We are getting closer to some support, but we need to make a new high and hold it. The full amount, it's after 4 payout cycles, I believe, or after 3. No, it's, yeah, after 4 payout cycles. Razi, yeah, you're saying that it might be your risk to reward, but I don't know. Why would it be better than props? As in what sense? It's pretty much the same thing. It's same exact executions. There was no difference in executions or anything like that. Brian, for me, I've been in business for 10 years now. I've been also a subcontractor all my life since I was 16. So for me, it's just normal routine. Obviously, it's on a bigger scale now, but just talk to like an accountant if you plan on spending the money. If you're not gonna spend the money, then you're just gonna owe whatever you owe. But it also depends how much you make, because sometimes, yeah, paying quarterly taxes is good. Man, oh man, today is definitely more risky to buy. Okay, Brian. First and foremost, that's understandable because they don't deal with stuff like this. Don't tell them you're trading, right? You are a 1099 subcontractor now. It's not trading, right? There's nothing that you're paying taxes on is trading related. It's not capital gains. It's just 1099. So you basically started a side hustle. You're getting paid by check or by wire, and they send you a 1099 because you've earned more than $600 in income. And then you just deduct all your evals. You could deduct your PAs. You could deduct your internet and all that stuff. But it's not complicated at all. How much you owe and stuff your accountant's got to do. Like, there's no way. It's very hard for you to calculate on your own ahead of time. Can you deduct rent? I don't think so. A partial, I think you could do a bedroom or something. I don't know. Whoa, the hourly looks crazy. But we're getting to some support now, so I'm gonna look at it this way. If I didn't short up here, I'm definitely not shorting down here, right? So we'll see what happens. We'll see what the next bounce brings. This is pretty crazy. Trev, I mean, that's one way to look at it, but the other way to look at it is, what's your other option? Trade your own account. Just trade your own account. And you have no rules to go by. This is wild. Free falling. Wait, that's a 200-point move? Holy shit, I didn't even notice. I even not even noticed that that was that big of a move. I don't know. Just make the chart a little bit bigger. Mist, are you on eval at least? Yeah, 300-point move from the highs. Just for, I was saying just from this pullback, damn. Oh my goodness. This is not the setup you just buy the first green candle, I don't think. But we'll see how it reacts. All right, here comes the first green candle. I'm gonna play with fire and just go for it. Okay, perfect. Didn't trigger me. I like you, Nasdaq. I really like you a lot. Okay, be nice to me. See, this is why you don't buy the first green candle. It doesn't mean anything. How much did I get missed by? It's not like, you know. Whoa. Whoa, like 2 ticks. Yeah, very lucky. Saved me $4,000. Thank you, Nasdaq. See, Nasdaq paid me back. So by missing me by 2 ticks here, whatever it was here, it just missed me by 2 ticks here. So at least it gave me half of my win back, right? At least half of it back. Yeah, TV, exactly. Well, it's gonna be an interesting day, guys. Definitely interesting day. Glad I'm sticking around longer today. Only problem is I don't have any Red Bulls. Oh. Oh man, I am so. Like today, I actually got some good sleep though, so I mean that was good. But I've been so exhausted. Look for shorts. I feel like That would be maybe a better option, but I just gotta be careful so I don't get into the trap, right? So if it makes a new lows, like buying up here is not gonna work for me. I need to see a pullback. Draw it bigger. See, like this just broke the lows. I used to buy this all the time, but I don't think that's gonna be me today. So I'm gonna wait for, you know, a pullback. A pullback that's more, you know, that's smaller. It doesn't go to new lows, and then I'll buy. Okay, we got the first bounce. Let's see. Ah, there she goes. Actually, it did work. Which I used to take this a lot, you know, so I did win on a bunch of those trades, but okay, we got a pullback. Okay, so we got a new high. It might take longer to reverse than just here, though. I think it could. Come on, pull back. Don't break this high, please. No, if you go under review, it's not bad. It's just there could be something that's borderline. Like I was over 30% on 3 or 4 accounts. slightly over 30%, and I went under review, and I got approved. Then yes, I got all my payouts approved. I don't want to miss out on this, but ideally I would prefer to see this. But if it just starts going, I'm just gonna go long as well. Plenty of room to go up now, right? Damn, that stop is so damn tight. Come on, just pull back. Yeah, it's not gonna. Very high volatility. I mean, 21 on the. Yeah, I think it's gonna do what I think I want initially. So the trap up here is gonna be hopefully good. Hopefully it gives me that. Yeah, the stops are way too tight for this volatility. So I basically need to get into the influx points where it just goes right away. Otherwise, it's going to be a loss. Let's see. This is looking better. See if it. Okay, looks good. Yeah, looks good. I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna add. It's gonna be 2 trades in one. Oh no. Damn it. Didn't work. Yeah, the volatility is super high now. But I thought it was gonna go right away and didn't. Let's see if it still goes. Trying to catch that move. No, it's gonna come. And see, like, volatility is just super high. Whoa. Yeah, we might have to chill out for a little bit, guys. Volatility is just way too high right now, and I mean my stops. Again, if I don't get the trade right away, I don't really care, right? So, like, look, if I use the bigger stop here, it wouldn't have prevented anything. So, I'm not worried about the stop losses. It's more about just try and catch that clean move. We're gonna have to go for it next trade somehow. Still believe in this trap. Hasn't been invalidated. I might blow some accounts today, guys. I got 2 more trades on 4 accounts, 5 accounts, 6 accounts. Oh my god, all accounts could blow. Sheesh. Look, all these accounts could blow today. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. All 9 accounts could blow. So what we need is we need a big win. That's what happens when you don't have enough cushion when you take a payout and you have a couple losing days. I mean, that's just how it goes. 30 grand. I'm glad I listened to the chat and I took the whole payout, to be honest. I wasn't going to take the full payout. I was going to leave some cushion in the accounts, but I'm glad I listened to the chat. But Precision, maybe you should use that $5 and update your website. Go on Fiverr.com and hire someone. Because I don't know if you know, but not even gonna. It's not my fault it's terrible. Like, if you're in a professional field... Okay, we're barcoding here. I put myself on this slump, you know? Like, I'm the reason I'm in a slump, because today could be a red day, but I've had red days. William, please stop. You grab it short. It's all good. I'll be fine. The only thing is, it's hard to buy a breakout because of the pullbacks, right? I should almost buy the dip, but I just don't like buying dips. Just gonna wait for some sort of move up. The only thing is, I'm gonna try to go for a bigger win, I guess. Adam, thank you. I mean, just personal preference. I see support on the hourly chart. I thought this was a good reversal here, so this was probably not, but this was a good reversal point for me. Just didn't work out. Can we trap up the lows? Nope. Not yet. It's live. Adam, it's live. You might be volatility trading blew up everything. Oh man, yeah. I'll reach out to him. Well, I might be blowing some accounts myself, so. But for me, it's not today. For me, it's this whole week. But not giving up yet. I mean, I got $400 in drawdown left, so I got 2 more trades, really. One of the next 2 trades has to be a winner, otherwise it's going to be blown accounts. And they're not blown. They're all my accounts are obviously at, you know, 50, 1,000, 100. So they're not blown. I didn't lose any money on them. I just got it back to break even after taking the payout. That's what people have to understand. When you have a lot of PA accounts, if you get them to break even, that's not blown account. That's just a lost account because of the rules. It's not a blown per se account. A blown account is when you lose the account, right? The objective of the account was not obtained. I just crossed 300K. Adam, yeah, it's been wild. I did well on my I got at least 4,500 coming from Bull Knox. So if I don't get another payout from Apex this month, that's gonna be okay, but we'll see what happens. Just gotta get back on the winning groove. Just don't like that freaking... every candle has a lot of, like, obviously resistance, right? So every time it goes up, it pulls back, and just 36 is going to be very hard to get. I know there will be a reversal at some point, whether that's today or tomorrow. And I'm not saying all the way back up. I'm just saying, just almost like this, I mean, this is 250 ticks. Nothing's going up yet. Obviously, he's buying into his strength. All right, last chance, guys. One account's blown already. Oh, man. Definitely over trading a little bit today, but it's not like I got much to lose. I really thought this was gonna freaking go like the same thing as here. Guys, don't worry about me. Jeez. I'm not even on tilt. I'm just waiting for my reversal. If we catch it, it's gonna be good. Today is definitely a tough day if you're long biased, right? So don't be too hard on yourself. Oh my god, this market is teasing me. Why? I don't know why it's barcoding though. Why is it barcoding when it's so volatile? Can we just get a clean move? I feel like buying into breakouts is what's killing me today because of this. Look how much pressure there is to the downside, right? That's gonna change if it changes, and it's gonna be obvious. So maybe I should just wait for it. I could be late. I could be buying up here. That might be better than buying down low. So how about this? I'm gonna go get my Red Bull and I'll be back. I think that's gonna be... All right. Hold on. Yeah, 621 has a big like 614 even has a big support. Yeah, 615. Yeah, we got one shot, guys. One shot. Oh. See? See? Missed it. Missed it. Missed it. Missed it. Took my eyes off the freaking screen for a split second. Okay. Gonna buy the first pullback here. Knew this was coming. Yep, it'll come back. It will give me an entry and we'll be good. I'd rather buy up here, be late, not fishing for the bottom. This got us close strong though. If this gets sold off, that's terrible. But that's the candle I needed to at least get a win. Oh, I don't feel like doing all evals, guys. Gotta do so many evals. I guess PPI is tomorrow. Is PPI tomorrow? Then I gotta restart all over again. I thought I was good on these accounts. I thought I was gonna keep them for much longer. What a shame. What a shame. I put myself in this situation though. I was not letting my winners go to target, and that really killed my accounts. It's not even the losses, it's really the lack of winning. The lack of winning is what caused it. Yeah, we all go through. I'm just glad I'm having a really good month. I'm gonna have a 45K month. I'm fine with that. It's just just a little bit frustrating now. This is definitely a little bit of a confidence hit, but at the same time, these days will happen because again, when I'm biased to one direction, when the other direction comes, obviously you're gonna be wrong. So you just have to accept it, right? If I would have thought the market would have dropped every single time it had a pullback, then I would have never made any money in the first place. Yeah, if we get one like good trade, we could make this whole loss back in one trade. We've done it in the past. But it really needs to be that perfect setup where it just goes, then the first pullback, it doesn't get us stopped out, and it keeps going, and I get like 30 40 points on it. Really tough day overall, but I chose the direction I want to trade with, so that's why it's tough. But the volatility is always bigger on the down move. Always bigger on the down move. But for me, it's 3 days of losing in a row. It's not one day. It's different blow up than in the past. Not one trade. It's multiple trades. I'm okay with that, All right, guys, I'm gonna go get a Red Bull. I don't think there's gonna be a reversal because I'd rather buy like up here, right? It needs to show. Although 615 does have support, so let's just see how that looks. All right, I don't know. Sean, I don't know. Just wired that way, I guess. I don't know. I feel like it's chasing, and the market's always reversed in the past, so waiting for that one perfect opportunity to I mean, this is a huge rejection. All right, guys, I'll be right back. Got one more shot at this to save the accounts. I'm back. Damn, of course missed that. Jesse, appreciate that. I'm in good spirits. I'm happy this came after payouts, you know? Timing wise, good. The reason why I'm close to blowing up the accounts is because of the payouts too, though. So it's like, it's my third losing day in a row. But this could have, see, what I'm saying is, trade like this, I erase the whole loss. It's gone, right? It's gone out of, just need to catch this. And of course I leave at the worst time. It's just bad luck. Not that, who knows if I would have taken that. Who knows how this candle could have went up and went straight down and stopped me out and then went. So I don't know exactly, but. I have some evals that are renewed. I'm better at canceling evals. Let me see what I have. I think I have 50Ks. Yeah. I have some 250Ks and 50Ks. Wait, I think I have a past. I have a past eval. Okay, at least I have one past eval from the 50K. Okay, so at least I could activate that. Yeah, a bunch of people kept saying reverse at 11 a.m. Yeah. Good points. Looks weak again. Rhythmic is cheaper. Actually, I don't know. What happened with Amp account? I closed it. I was I took out 7,200 out of it. Let me show you. So I put in 4,000 and I took out 7,100 from it. So not bad, I guess. Final straw, guys. Ah, that was so dumb. Well, good luck to me on these accounts, but these accounts are done. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four accounts are done. Again, guys, I did not blow any accounts. They're at 50,100. You start at 50,000. Therefore, you can't blow it. You could just get it back down to break even. So how am I gambling? It's his first comment too. Do you have to pay again for the 4 accounts which are down? Yes. I mean, I got $25 in drawdown left. I'm getting the payouts. They're approved. Payouts are approved, so I'm getting them. And my Bullnox is doing good, so I'll still get 4,500 from Bullnox. And my Top Step X account is doing good. Probably not gonna trade it today just to be safe. My Top Step X account is at 2,600 again, so I just took out 1,400 from that. I'll try to get it to 3,000 and take out another 1,500 from Top Step. So that'll put me at like 45,000 on the month, which is totally fine. Random, because I haven't done that yet. And also you have to pay attention to how I lose the accounts. But I haven't lost any accounts since the rule changes, right? This is gonna be my first set of accounts I'm gonna lose. Like the enforcement of it. If you've been around, you know what Apex did to enforce the rules more. Could be mental because of the Porsche buying. What? Huh? Gravity, yes. On Rolex. Not on Top Step. I don't do it on Top Step. Just these 4 accounts, and then this one I continue to trade with my Apex as well. So that's why this one's down. But this one started at up 210. Now it's down 420. No, hopefully I could go August 26th, but that's gonna be tough to put 2,000 miles in that short period of time. With my work schedule. I got a month to put in 2,000 miles on it. Do I stream evals? No. Sometimes, but like tomorrow, obviously PPI gonna go all in on some evals. That's the break-in mileage. I like 350 now. 350, almost 400 miles now. Definitely gonna go for a drive today. After a day like today, I definitely want to. Even though I'm not even like upset, I'm just disappointed that I didn't get to keep these accounts the way I wanted to. But today I'm not, like today I would have stopped probably trading after a while. But since the accounts are kind of dead, I just want to either save them or just get back to replacing them, right? As soon as possible. I have a bunch of evals because I'm bad with canceling evals. I don't know if you guys are bad with that too. I know some people cancel as soon as they fail, they cancel it. I'm the opposite. So I have 50k evals, unfortunately. Otherwise, I would do 150k. 150k is my favorite. But also 50k is super easy to pass. 150k is not as easy, so you just go 10 contracts on the 50k, you get 61 ticks. So one trade like this passes you evals. So if you feel the market correctly one day, you know, I mean, I couldn't get a single trade today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 losses. That's usually I stop after 4. I will not go full-time trader for many years. Maybe like 2 million liquid. I don't know. I haven't really thought about it. There's really no point of going full-time trading. Days like today would affect me more if I had to rely on the income from trading, even though I made 45,000, so it's not really like a. But let's say I didn't get the payout in July, right? The way I did. Why am I gonna give up something that I love doing, that is creating me solid 6 figures a year? And it's not. I work. DJing really is from like April to November, so it's not even full year. I make some money between December and March too, but most of the money comes from, from April to November. And I love doing it. Like this weekend I have a wedding that I did one of the groomsmen is I did his wedding as well. That's how I got this client on Sunday. He used to play for the US national team. He played for Chelsea, and now he plays in the MLS. All right, so I get to meet some cool people. It's really I want to sell off. It's really Oh. I don't want to be a full-time trader because it's stressful. If you rely on one income, that's just not gonna... It's not gonna be fun on days like this or when you go on a losing month, right? Every trader is gonna go on a losing month. I mean, if you have... That's what I'm saying. If I have 2 million in liquid, no debt, mortgage paid off, everything's paid off, then maybe. I love DJing just as much as I love trading. I don't like the photo booth business anymore. I used to love it, but I hate it now. That's the first thing that's gonna go. It's the photo booth business. How many PA accounts have I lost? Apex like 160. But again, look how I'm losing these accounts, right? This is how I lose a lot of my PA accounts. Is look, I get them to break even, right? It's not like I get the account and doesn't get to payout, or I don't get close to payout. This is not, to me, this is not blowing up an account. This is losing a account due to the rules of trailing drawdown. This is not blowing up an account. Unless you have a lot of, if you have a lot of cushion in it, then maybe you could call it that. But at the end of the day, the results are the same. At the end of the day, this is a $140 investment, right? So let's do the math. $140, $140, $140, $140, $140. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's say 10 accounts. That's $1,400. I just took out $30,000. Right? It's the opportunity is there, and it's kind of my own fault that I'm in this situation to begin with. I had a really good Friday, really good Monday. Yesterday kind of... No, wait, today's Thursday already, right? So Fridays, Monday, Tuesday, I had a really good 3 days, and I just didn't let the winners go. And then yesterday, obviously, was a short stream, so same thing yesterday. I had one first trade, would have been a winner. What did I do? Move my stop to break even. Boom, not a winner. It's like, what am I doing? Were you thinking there's going to be a reversal? Yeah, there typically is a reversal, right? In the last, if you look at, all the days, we have a pullback, pullbacks, right? Pullback. There's reversals. So reversals will happen. Pullback, reversal, pullback, reversal, right? So reversals are very common, and it's going to happen. Just might not be today. And I am 100% okay with being wrong. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. I mean, I took my stops when I didn't work out, right? So, yeah, exactly. Today the trend changed, and I'm wrong. How to pass eval 50K fast as possible? 61 ticks, 10 contracts, 1 trade. You get it on, like, let's say you short here, you get 61 ticks. Right there, that's past eval. Look how small of a move you need to pass an eval. Oh, I did lifetime for most of these because I thought I was gonna keep them much longer. Oh yeah, pearls. I'm not worried. Appreciate that though. I don't have to make $1 for the rest of the year, and I still made more money in trading than I ever lost. Right, over the years. So it's like my goal was 150,000. I mean, would I be super happy with 300,000 now in December? No. But if you would have told me last year in July, all right, Alpine, you're gonna make 300K in first 6 months of 2024, but then you can't make any more money for the rest of the year, are you gonna sign up for that? I'm gonna say, where the hell is the pen? Give me that pen, I'm signing up. You know, so it's like, it's all relatable, you know, it's easy to forget where we came from. Like, let me ask you guys that question. Next 2 months, you get to make 80K a month, and that's it for the rest of the year. Are you signing the deal? You're gonna have super frustrating from September. No, so August, September, you'll make money, and between October, November, December, you're gonna feel like you just want to quit trading because you're gonna blow like 15 grand on evals and stuff and PAs, and you won't be able to get anything right. Are you gonna sign that deal? You know? When you start trading, did you start with the live account? Yes. On stocks. I traded with a lot of small accounts on stocks first, like short trader days. I don't know if you guys know what that is. Yeah, small cap shorting. Fun days. I will get back to it. I stopped last December. I closed my account. I only made like 12 grand last year. It was tough. All right, let's see. Wow, can't even get a move up. Well, blew some accounts there. All right. Oh, guys, terrible, 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 terrible. I want this move. I'm trying to get this move. But I should just be getting this move, right? Yeah, I know. I'm being stubborn today for sure. Negative 27,000 doesn't matter. I got 30,000 in my bank. This is just a bump in the road. Oh damn, I'm gonna blow a 250K account too. I might blow all the accounts. Jeez. Because I'm using some massive size on these boys. It's gonna be a rebuild for August. Oh man, tough. I know that book. I watch Tom Hogarth stuff all the time. It's a great book. And I think I'm doing a really good job at losing right now. I'm not tilted. I'm patiently waiting. I'm not frustrated. I'm not upset. I'm emotionless. Literally, I feel no emotions. I'm just excited for the payouts. And sometimes I just look back from the outside and I'm like, wow, like I've come a long way. And again, like I just said, if I would have signed this contract, you're going to make 300K in the first 7 months and then you're going to struggle for a little bit. I would say, where do I sign, right? And I don't think this is that bad. It's just one of these days that it's not going to work. And then the other days, I have to just get better at winning. I mean, I can't let winners become nothing when they're winners, right? When I'm winning and I'm not winning on the P&L side, that's bad. It's very bad. Like my accounts would have been up extra $2,000 had I let my winners go to my target the last 3 days or 4 days. I'm living in Poland. I'm done with taxes. What? Pum, pum, pum. Yeah, all in on evals on PPI, and I'm gonna go all in on evals later today as well. I'm gonna try to pass at least 5 evals later today. Although tomorrow I might just take a day off. I got a busy weekend work-wise, so my friend's leaving from New Jersey to California tomorrow, so fastest way to pass 150K evals, I don't even know. Yeah, Bryce, right? Thanks for tuning in, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for the support. Yeah, it should have been short bias today, but hey, I hope you guys are rich. I hope you guys got your accounts to pay out. I hope you passed your evals. If you're here telling me I should have went short, you better have your best day ever. And I'm okay with that. I wish you guys all the best. Yeah, last Tuesday I had a losing day. I was longing. Like I would get stopped out here too, you know, like it's very easy to get stopped out 30 ticks. Look how small the 30 ticks is. It's definitely not a good way to trade this market. Ghost, I appreciate that. Yeah, we'll get back to it. Gotta set aside $1,400 from the payouts to get some new accounts. I mean, it's part of life, I guess. That's why, like, I don't go full-time trading and stuff like that. You want to see that 300K on my tax form? You will not see that 300,000 on my tax form because you're gonna see like $1 million on my tax form. I take big L's. Okay. Let me show you. Let's have an educational. Let's. All right, we got 8,000, 6,000, 12,000, 4,000, 7,000. This was a car. 13,000, 2,000, 4,000, 10,000, 4,000, 7,000, minus 9, 6,000, 5,000, 25, 5,000. This is old already. Ended badly. So this was at the end of the last. So yeah, so these are all my P&Ls from these accounts. Before that, that was the last when I changed the when the Apex changed all that stuff. So I don't know. What else do you want to see? You want me to show you my days? I could show you my days. Javier, I am 100% with you. I'm not an influencer. You made me an influencer, okay, by showing up here. That's what made me an influencer. I had 50 people watching me when I was getting payouts all the time, and all of a sudden I became an influencer because I was doing well. Hold on. I'm gonna show him everything he needs to see. I mean, I don't know. These are my payouts here. Okay, this is from Apex. Okay, 135 payouts. Okay. Going back to June 1st of where's the date? June 1st, 2023. Okay. You don't have to believe me. I mean, I don't really care. If you're gonna be a skeptic, then I want you to get payouts yourself and see for yourself. I know trading is hard. And most people do fail. So it's okay to be upset. Yeah. So my first payout from uncapped account. Hold on. All right. Let's call it a day. I can't believe I can't get a single tick after all this. 230 ticks and I can't get a tick in my favor. No, not on Apex. On all the prop firms. On Apex, let's do the math. So we're gonna copy all this. Apex, I think I'm at forget what I'm at on the year. Ah, missed one. Okay, copy that. Google Sheets. Blank workbook. I'm gonna paste that. We're gonna do some. So 246 is from Apex, and they paid out like what? Apex paid out 35 million in June, 25 million last 3 months, like 15 million in March or something, or February, whatever. Apex paid out over $100 million this year, and I only got $246,000 out of that. So if you think it's an influencer thing, then you gotta wake up a little bit. Now, if Apex has 200,000+ traders, it's still a small percentage of people actually getting payouts. That is not obviously that is definitely not without a doubt. It's hard to trade. Yeah, more T, I definitely agree with you. But the later it gets, the more long buys. But the accounts were done. I would have never let these accounts get to this point if I had life in them. But I just I'm gonna call it a day here and just rebuild. You know, rebuild tomorrow on PPI a little bit. I might take the day off tomorrow, to be honest. I mean, I'm not gonna have many PA accounts to trade. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 accounts still pretty healthy. And then 1, 2, so that's 10 accounts. So I lost 10 accounts today. Yeah, I'll be at. Trust me, when I go with evals, I mean, we're gonna go with evals like What is this? I don't even know what this is. I'm gonna take a short for you guys, just for fun, on an eval. Oh, now don't sell? Jesus Christ, guys. Just kidding. Now go for buy, huh? Unfortunate. Very disappointed myself. I think last few days led into today, though. I think last few days led into today's issue. Well, I was planning on streaming longer today, but I guess now there's no point. So, I'm gonna do some 50Ks because I have a bunch that haven't renewed, and I have some 250Ks as well, but I'm just gonna short 250K because just for fun. Hey, I use a stop loss. I'm an idiot. I am an idiot. I don't think I got a single tick in my in my favor. Did it go 30 ticks? Yeah. See, I would have taken a loss right there, just like that. I'm not on full tilt, dude. What are you talking about? You could be an affiliate too, Javier. You can earn an affiliate too. Just start your own YouTube channel and do it. This is an eval, yes. Let me just make sure I freaking put that up there somewhere. I don't even like the 250Ks, to be honest. I like the 150Ks. Oh no, I went short and it's gonna blow an eval. Oh god. See? Going short in this volatility is not that easy either. Also, I don't know what I'm at right now. End of June, I was ranked number 71 on Apex all-time list payouts. So if you're doing better than me, congrats to you. If you're not, then that means you do the same thing I do on these bad days. We all have them. Unfortunately, we all have them. Javier, oh my God. Why do I have to keep doing this? Can I unzoom this somehow? Hold on, make sure you guys could see that. You can't see that. Damn it. Stupid. Here we go. Apex is 9 payouts, yet they had the biggest month. Right. No, if they included affiliate commissions, this probably would be bit bigger. Javier has not made any money trading, and he's just upset, and we have to make him aware that trading is possible. It's not a lost cause yet. We still have hope in Javier, okay? We're gonna get him situated. He's just a skeptic, which is okay. And Javier, you really have to realize you don't have to use Apex, right? I trade with Bull Knox. I trade with Top Step. I don't make excuses. They could upgrade the dashboard a bit. I 100% agree with you on that. But yeah, so you could see the payouts and how they've grown. I think the 35 million also is part of the resets, right? So they did reset a ton of accounts many times in whatever early June or whatever it was. There was a lot of rhythmic issues. They reset a lot of accounts. So I think a lot of people got second chances and they survived. So maybe that's why there's a bigger payout, but 25 million. And I took out $250,000 all year. So if you think I'm doing really well, I'm just a small peanut. And that's what I've always been saying. We just want to take the small percentage out of everything, and then we're still making good money. But everyone's like, oh, you're an affiliate. Anyone could be an affiliate. It's hard to get a custom code, like especially nowadays, but there's so many people that have custom codes now. But there's a code in your dashboard for an affiliate with every prop firm. It's not hard to be an affiliate. You can start your YouTube channel, you're gonna get traction. If people like you, they're gonna use your code. You can make some extra money. I've said that since day one on YouTube. I've been offered a couple deals from Top Step and from my funded futures. Fidus, I don't know if they wanted to offer me a deal or what it was. But like my funded futures offered me a deal. I don't know exactly. I didn't like actually discuss it with them. And Top Step offered me a deal. I also did not discuss they said around like 8,000, I think, or whatever it was. I don't remember, but a month. But this is how many people got over $30,000 in the payout window. All right, look how many people got 133. That's not a lot of people. From all the traders, that's not a lot of people, but it could be you, right? If it's not you, then you're just not that good at trading yet. It's not the prop firm, it's you. It's not the market, it's you. And just the more you are aware of your own issues, the better you're gonna become. Like, it's easy for me to say, oh, the market sucks, the market's rigged, why is it dumping like this today? You know, all this stuff I could say, and what is that gonna change? Nothing, right? Those do not, I do know that they do not include affiliates or contract fees. I do know that for a fact. But that's fine. But what's the, what problem do you have with that? What problem do you have with sponsorship for a big YouTuber? Like, what's your problem with that? That's how YouTube makes money, dude. How do you think all the car YouTubers, all the finance YouTubers, all the YouTubers on YouTube, how do you think they make money? You think they make money from ad revenue or from sponsorships? When you grow your channel to 100,000 subscribers, you better be making money off sponsorships if you can. Because those are just the payouts on the back end. Apex cannot disclose affiliates and fees. But what? How do I know? Because that's from the payouts page. And I know my affiliates don't go on the payouts page, only my payouts go. So if you go on the payouts page, so let me show you another pay. Oh my god, this guy, man. This freaking guy. Oh. Will I be able to find that? That's the thing. July 8th. July 8th. I'm gonna do some digging in my Discord. I gotta go back like so many days. But I'll find it. How many? What do you mean Patrick has been exposed? When did Patrick claim that he made a lot of money in payouts? When did Patrick say? Sir, show me the video. Patrick says he's got 300K in payouts and he didn't get them. How is he getting exposed? Damn it, that's not here. I'm still looking for that. What I'm looking for, July 8th. Okay, Javier, how much money have you made with Top Step? How much money have you made with Bullnox? How much money have you made with My Funded Futures? How much money did you make with Take Profit Trader? If you don't like Apex, how much money have you made with the other ones? Talk about that. Let's talk about positives, not negatives. You don't like a prop firm? Then that's fine. Still scrolling. I gotta go to July 8th. Okay, I'm on July 8th. Let's just keep scrolling. No. Where did she post that? I'm trying to find a page where it breaks down my payouts. Okay. Getting closer. There I am. Here we go. So how do I know this stuff is real? Well, same person made my payout list. So every time I get a payout, it goes on the payouts page. So there I am. Javier, who here has said Patrick is profitable when Patrick himself says he's not profitable? Patrick himself says he is a YouTuber. He's a content creator. He's never claimed to take payouts that he didn't take. Yeah, I lost 10 funded accounts this morning. Well, that's content creation. They lob. Is Trades by Matt profitable? Now he is, yes. But profitable in prop firm space is different than being profitable. In real markets, right? For example, how do I become profitable trading these accounts? Yes, I do, Javier. That was on Top Step. But how do I become profitable? Let's forget about everyone because this is my channel. I'm not gonna talk about other people when they're not here. That's first of all, that's rude. That's what you just said about me, Javier. That's what you just said about me. You're just spreading some bullshit, dude. You just said that about me, that I lose every single time you come in here. Because you claim payouts, yet every time I come here, you're taking big L's. Yeah, you're an idiot, dude. Are you a loser? Are you that big of a loser in life, dude? Let me ask you this question. Are you that big of a loser, or are you just 15 years old? It's either that or the other. You're lucky you're not banned yet, dude. I mean, I don't think you care, but... I just blew out... What do you mean I blew out 10? No, look. You see this? 50,100. That's not blown. That's break even. You have to make money to get to this point. Yeah. Peter. You have to make money to get to this point, to lose an account at this point. You can't not make money. Yeah, Javier is a... Oh, he's a jinx. That's what it is. Stealth. Okay. I think a lot of people are gonna blow their accounts today because it's just tough day. Very big volatile day, right? So even like you're gonna short here, it's gonna squeeze you. Like, see, like, why couldn't I get this? This is exactly what I was looking for, man. Okay, let's try another. No, we can't buy up here. All right, we're gonna trade an eval with chat. Going long or short? 20. I don't like 250k evals, so I don't care about them. Trades by Matt disabled live. No, Trades by Matt uploads the lives for his members. Okay, he doesn't delete them. They're there for his members. I'm down $1,000 per account. It's not. I lost 10 funded accounts. I lost 10 accounts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are still like alive, but $20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look, I lost a 250k account at break even, right? That means I had to make a lot of money on that account. I got a payout from that account, plus I made a lot of profit on it, and I lost it. So how can I be always red when I lose my accounts at break even? All right, Javier, don't worry about my Apex payouts. How about my Bullnox payouts? 50,000 Bullnox payouts. I have I don't have that much in Top Step yet, but I'll work on that. I have payouts in Trade Day. I have payouts in Tick. I have payouts with Elite Trader Funding. How many payouts do you have, Javier? Yeah, you can't make any money, so he's just upset. Top Step payouts, okay. My recent one. Just got this a couple days ago. There we go, $1,400. So guess what? If that was 20 accounts, that's 30,000. That's the same payout as I got with Apex, basically. It's just one account versus 20 accounts, right? Javier, I can't make that much money with Top Step because it's only 5 accounts, which is good now, but it was only 3 accounts. So with 3 accounts, yeah, that's it, because that's the difference. Are you, Javier, are you that, Javier doesn't know how to do math. Javier, did you pass, I don't know, like Algebra 1? Or did you struggle with that? You must have struggled a little bit, right? Multiplication got you a little bit. I got it. Maybe you're a history guy. It's fine. Daniel, no, I don't, but you can. You can. I have two Rhythmics open. I have one for Bullnox and one for if you actually open up your Rhythmic Trader Pro again, you can open it as many times as you want. There is no top step discount. It's always the same. Javier, you are such a dumb idiot. I feel sorry for you, man. Yeah, he sucks at math. He doesn't realize Apex has 20 accounts. So you make all right, top step 3 accounts because that's all they had for the most part. You make $3,000 on top step, and you make $3,000 on Apex in 1 month. On top step, you're getting $4,500 in payouts. On Apex, you're getting $40,000 in payouts. If you can't do that math and why Apex payouts are much bigger than the rest, then I'm sorry, but you got to get a refund from your college institution and go sue them because they failed you with math. And you should get your money back. And then once you get that money back, then you could go and invest it into trading maybe, or whatever else you like to do. Yeah, now you can get 5 accounts. That's why I'm working with Top Step again, and I'm working on payouts with Top Step. But prior, you couldn't get. I know, nothing new. That should be elementary. 4th grade, you should learn how to do multiplication. My niece probably knows how to do multiplication better than Javier. But it's okay. Javier is just, you know, a loser. He's just very upset with trading. Trading wasn't meant for him, I guess. And he's just upset. So he's got nothing better to do than to go out there and hate. But don't worry, he's gone. I'm done trading for the day, Mario. So it's all good. I tried to save him. I tried to save him. How many photo booths do I have? I have 5. What's my next step? I'm not sure. Just pass evals. What size account do you get for Top Step? I just get the 50Ks. I feel like I'm not gonna reload 20 more because I didn't blow all the accounts. I mean, I only blew 10 accounts. Look, I still have plenty of cushion in many of them. But yeah, I'm gonna try to pass, like, I have one eval that's passed already from a long time ago. I'm gonna try to pass like 4 evals maybe later today. End of day close, 3:50 p.m. It has a nice move. No, I can't promote that kind of. eval passing because I go full size. That's not a good way to pass evals. That's a good way to pass evals, but not a good way to trade. Let's put it that way. Mm-hmm. Again, Javier, you're just being an idiot. You're missing the whole point of how it's much easier to be profitable on the prop firm than it is to be profitable with your live account. This is the whole point of my channel, and you just don't watch my channel enough to understand that you can make broker statements. There is no broker statements with prop firms. Don't worry, guys. I got this. I got the solution to the problem. Don't you worry. And not even gonna ban. No, I'm gonna be done in 30 minutes. Don't worry. What the hell happened here? A bomb went off. Oh God, Christian. That's not good. You're gonna need to make a lot. Your best bet is to lose some. Have I heard of fast track trading? Yes, I have. Zero cool. Yeah, I mean, for days like today is the reason why I don't do it with a live account. I also will not gain anything trading a live account, right? My goal is to make $2,000 to $3,000 in the account. So making extra $2,000 to $3,000 in a live account is not gonna make me any more money because the risk is gonna be high, right? So it's not like making that extra 2 to 3K in a live account is gonna make it any different. The only reason why I did a live account, so I'll show you that. Okay. So I took the money out of it. Okay, so this is that. Let's see, when did I send it in? All right. Okay, you see this? Now I didn't trade the account all that time, but that's 7100, right? AMP Global. Debit. Funded with 4,000 AMP Global. So I turned 4,000 into 7,100. I turned it into like 8.3 and I lost to 70. But the point is, I copy traded into it. Basically got the account to pay out to show that the executions were exactly the same on my opening range trade. And we got the results. All right. I've proven what I wanted and I closed the account. Will I reopen it? Maybe. I didn't really overtrade that much. That's I'll tell you why I overtraded more later on. Because typically I would stop at 4 losses, but the accounts were so low on drawdown that I'd rather give myself a chance to either pass the accounts or lose the accounts so that way they go into admin mode so I could activate new ones for tomorrow if I end up passing any this afternoon. I could have sized down on these accounts, but that's hindsight. I mean, I lost $900. My target to win is $300 per trade, so I lost 3 trades, right, or 4 trades. If I go on the 4-trade winning streak, I'll make all these losses back, and it's very possible for me to do that. How many trades? It took me the same as, you know, $200 to $300 a day. I mean, I used to do on stream, just copy trading into it. I made most of it in March, or I think March. Like $200-300 a day, same as this. So $300K evals are very tough. I don't recommend them. I recommend going with 150K evals. It's the same cost. Jesus Christ, just watch my lives every day. And where are these people coming from? Jesus Christ, you guys need to get a life. I swear to God. The track record? What do you mean track record? When I stream every single freaking day. Hold on, we're getting somewhere. Okay, hold on. We got it. Okay. You ready for the statements? This is gonna be it for the day, guys. I am done with the idiots for the day. That was 1 month. So I started at 39 because obviously I funded 4,000, then they take out fees and stuff, and I funded it in whatever, $48 a month or something like that. 2,200, right? The same thing I was doing on the live accounts, on the funded accounts. Sometimes I would probably trade 1 contract instead of 2 contracts or whatever. But I was just trying to show that the executions were the same. I wasn't caring about money because what I make here is the same thing I make on Apex and I could take it out. It's the same thing I make on Bullnox. You can't take out the first 2,500, but the same thing I did on Elite Trader Funding and you could take it out. Same thing I did on Top Step and you could take it out, right? So it's the money. If I make $2,500 on that, then no, you call it a day, my friend. I just proved you wrong and you still are not happy, so you could enjoy your time somewhere else. Why are people so jealous of success? Why are people so jealous of success? I always wonder, why are human beings so jealous of success? Which option do I use for Bullnox? I use option 1, so it's the same as Apex, trailing drawdown. And I use the 50K account and the 25K account. Yeah, I've said, Johnny B, you have a perfect point. I've said this story, I told this story before, but I'm gonna say it again. I'm gonna end it with this. I was an EMT, right? So I was an EMT I was a volunteer EMT, so I did emergencies and stuff like that. But then I also worked for a transport company, which is a little bit different. So transport companies, we transported patients that it wasn't like to the hospital. It was to like a clinic. So let's say it was a cancer patient or a dialysis patient. So they would need an EMT on board, but it was just transport, right? So this company was a privately owned company, which most of them are. And it's same thing, cutthroat business, right? Same thing as these prop firms are. But anyway, it was a smaller company. So they hired me with no experience at the time, which was great. And I was there for a couple of years. And I got really, I was close with the owner. Like we always had a good time. We went paintballing together a few times. But there was a day, it was early 2014. I'll never forget. And I was a huge Range Rover fan back then. Like Range Rover was my favorite car when it comes to like a daily driving car, right? And we talked about it a few times, and then one day he shows up with a brand new Range Rover. At that time, the brand new ones came out, right? So the brand new Range Rovers just came out, and the body style changed, all that stuff. And it was an expensive car at the time, and still is, but even at the time, it was probably like 100 something grand. And this is a small company, so we probably had less than 10 employees, or around 10 employees. The amount of drama that it brought to the company, because why don't we get a raise and he buys a car that costs over $100,000? We should be getting a raise. We should be getting better hours. We should be doing this. We should be doing that. He should have invested in us. Why is he buying himself a car like that? Versus me, I was like, number one, he let me drive it around the block. He drove me and then he let me drive around the block, which I was like super happy. Obviously, I wasn't that young anymore. I was in my 20s. Obviously, lets me drive his ambulances. I think he'll let me drive his car. Ambulance costs more. But I was the one that was like, all right, one day, that's going to be me. That's going to be me. I want to own a car like that. Like, instead of looking down on it, like, oh my God, he should give me a raise. I'm entitled to a raise. You know, I work hard and all that stuff. I looked up to it. I'm like, this guy's a business guy. At that time, I already started my DJ business. Because I started my DJ business in 2012. That was 2014. So I was like, one day I'm going to get there. One day that's going to be me. That's my goal, is to get here. Is to employ some people and to be able to buy stuff for myself on that caliber, you know? So like, instead of looking negatively at it, I looked at it in a positive way. Same thing with one of my old DJ friends that I still do photo booths for. He let me wear a Rolex Daytona, which is like a $20,000 Rolex. Now, I could care less about watches, but, you know, he let me wear it one time, and I was like, oh, one day maybe, like, you know, as a business owner, I'd like to get there as well. Now, 10 years later, I could care less. I could buy, you know, a few Rolexes now, but I just don't care for them, so I'm not going to for now. I'm going to buy a Rolex when I could take 10 grand and burn it and not feel a thing. That's when I'm going to buy it. Even though I know Rolexes don't depreciate and all that stuff. I don't want to get into that aspect. I just don't care for it. Yeah, zero cool. I don't want to get into that whole aspect. It doesn't depreciate. It's just I'm not into watches, right? So it doesn't bring me any joy. But yeah, you know, the whole point of it, instead of being jealous of that, I look up to it, and I want to work to get to that level too. I know it's possible because they do it. So I could get, if I could get to the half point of their success, I'll be very happy. Is Daytona 50? No, not. If you get an old gold one, it wasn't the gold one. Daytona Rolex. I'll show you which one it was. I have a picture of it somewhere. I don't even like that watch at all. I'm a simple guy. I would get the Datejust. What would you say what went wrong today? Today wasn't really. I don't think today went a lot wrong. Obviously, my bias was completely wrong. But aside from that, I think the last few days caused what happened today, right? So the last few days, I had a lot of trades that were supposed to be winners, and for some reason, I was anxious or whatnot, whatever you want to call it, even though I didn't feel like it, but I really wanted to just get to, you know, break even, or I'll take the trade off at a sign of first pullback. A few things like that led for me to miss out on very good entries and not getting a win out of them. And then I had some losses after that. So it turned what should have been a really good day into a bad day. And this is my third losing day in a row now. Is it? Or was Monday I was green, wasn't I? I think I don't remember anymore, but oh yeah, because I keep thinking it's Wednesday today. It is Thursday. So yeah, 3 days were red in a row. And then I took some extra trades today because the drawdown was so little on the accounts that obviously I just wanted to give it a try and it didn't work. But am I upset with today? No, I'm more upset with the previous days. I got my payout, so it's hard to be upset. But you can't. Like, I was more frustrated last few days than I was today. ICT, but like what kind of track record? Like, I just showed track record and still not enough. These people just, they don't believe anything, right? And it's fine, but you know, this guy on Twitter, his name is Madaz. He posts P&L every single day, and he gets like crazy comments to this day that he's a scam, this and that. It's crazy. God forbid he posted a losing day. And he has some bad losing days. But see, it's mostly green, and then once in a while he will have a red day, and then people just jump him. Like this. Like, you know, it happens. But I posted P&L every single day for the last, I don't know, last 8 years or so. It's in stocks, but I looked up to it. You know, I don't care how he trades or whatever. I just look up to it. I see that it's possible. And that's all there is to it. What's my strategy on payouts after getting paid account? What do you mean? After getting a funded account? Black Wolf, you'd be surprised how many times that will fail if you just hedge CPI release. How often, like, CPI release never does what it did say. I don't know if you guys know that, but CPI never looks like this. It's always like this, like big whip, right? And it's crazy how this seems like a big move, but then we have this crazy dump today. I mean, that's incredible. Bet you a lot of people got a big chunk of blow up today. So one contract, if you short it at the top, 10 grand. Yeah, it's fine. ICT Midnight, I agree with you. But unless you've been actually trading with prop firms, why be a skeptic? Try it yourself, or just ignore it, right? Just ignore it. If you're a skeptic, you don't believe in it. That's what I did with Elite Trader funding. I've heard some really bad things about Elite Trader funding. I was like, whatever, it's gonna cost me $100, and I like their rules. I'm gonna try it. If I get denied or they scam me, whatever, $100, you know, whatever, $100 is whatever at that point. The main reason why I tried with my Elite Trader funding is because I tried with them last year or whatever it was, and I spent like, you know, a couple $100 on evals or whatever. So I wanted to get that money back. They were the last prop firm that I was negative in. And I wanted to make my money back. I am still slightly negative on Lilu, but I don't think I'm ever going to trade Lilu. Never say never, but I don't think I'm ever going to trade with Lilu because their rules are just so ancient that I don't even think I want to do it. My Twitter is... It's supposed to be Trader 981 because that's the model designation for my car that I have. Or I had. Well, I still have it, but I'm going to sell it soon. But I guess I typed in an extra one and didn't realize. Is it possible to change your Twitter handle? Like once in a while or no? I trade between 1 to 3 contracts. So the accounts that are down 1,000, that's 1 contract. 2,000, that's 2 contracts. And 3,000, that's 3 contracts. And we're still going lower. When am I going to sell it? Probably... tomorrow. Okay, settings. Oh, I could change my username. I want to change it to... Yeah, I gotta figure out what username I want to change it to, so I'm not gonna change it yet. I'm not even touching my Top Step account. My Top Step X account. I'm just gonna. I mean, going long in the bull market's good. I mean, we'll see how. Last few times market pulled back, it was short lived. All right, we take a look. I don't know why the camera doesn't work on this thing. Sorry, guys. But yeah, every time there was a pullback, you know, we did have what, 4 days here, 5 days, then came back. Who knows? Eval. See if this was see if this was a 50k eval, the target would have been 427-ish. I'm done trading for today, FX Billionaire. I'm gonna survive whatever I have left, and then yeah, I blew 10 accounts. These 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, I don't know where the admin thing is, but oh, this is gonna blow too. See what I'm saying? It's not that easy to just go short at any time. It's it's just showing me like I have no idea what the market wants to do today. No matter what I do, it's wrong. Yes, I paid myself 30,000. Thank God I listened to the chat. But I have 10 accounts left, so it's not bad. I'm gonna try to salvage some payouts. For second half of July. You know, getting to 50,000 is not gonna be possible, but I could get to 50. Actually, no. Yeah, 50,000 is possible, guys, between all the prop firms. All right. I'm gonna call it a day, guys. Just let's see how this plays out. Andy, not free. You have to pay for QUANTOWER to get view up. I lost 10 accounts, Blur. First 10 accounts lost since the... I'm on shorts. Right now it's a short trade. You could see that. Here, I guess. This is just an eval, just trying to see if I could... I stepped on a nail on Tuesday. We're going lower. I'm gonna keep adding to the low. Yeah, solid trader. I'm done for the day. I already blew 10 accounts. But it's not like I blew them. They're, you know, I break even. Like, look, they're at, you know, 50, 100. So it's like, if you blow an account at 50, 100, that means you didn't really blow the account. You just lost it due to drawdown. I took the payout, so I lost the drawdown there. And then I had 3 losing days in a row. 3 losing days in a row will do that for you. This is my least favorite one. It's 250K. It just needs to go. Come on, keep going. See, I would have passed a 50K. Of course, now I can't get this move like that. Oh, was it late? I didn't even notice. See. Oh well. There she goes. Max drawdown hit. All right, guys. I'm gonna go put some alcohol on my foot. I stepped on the nail and it still hurts. I don't want to risk getting an infection or something. I was hoping to stream a little bit longer today, which I did. I mean, it's 1 o'clock already. But unfortunately, well, not a good day. I'll probably at 350. There's some movement. I'm gonna probably try to pass a couple evals. We'll see if I can. I have 1 eval that's passed, so at least that's that. But if not tomorrow, I might take a day off. Just refocus for Monday and oh, that was just an eval. I was just trying to pass. I don't like these evals. These are the 250Ks from a long time ago. I just forgot to cancel them. I don't really want 250Ks. I would like to do 150K accounts. Although 250k PA accounts are not bad. I'm not gonna say they're not, because I could trade bigger size on them and it's fine. All right, guys, take care. Hope you guys are doing better than me. But at the same time, we're all gonna go through these struggles, so we have to stick together, support each other in the good and in the bad. That's how it works. Nah, don't be sorry. I am totally fine. I'm actually less upset today than I was yesterday, and then I was on Tuesday. Tuesday, I was really pissed off how I traded. Yesterday, obviously, I got caught with stuff to do and didn't get to trade much yesterday. But yesterday, same thing. The first trade of the day should have been a winner. So that would have put me in a different situation. So it's just like those little tweaks I got to do. Like today, there's no way I would have been green. There's just no way. If I would have, the only thing that I would have done different maybe today is stop trading a little bit sooner. So once I'm down to 4 losses, which is like 18,000, I think I would have been done trading then. But other than that, I don't really think there is much to worry about. And the long is looking juicy now too. It's been looking juicy every freaking time and it doesn't work. So, all right, guys. I'll make a post if I'm not going live tomorrow, but I might take a day off. It depends. Depends how I feel. I'm not upset. It's just like I have such a crazy busy weekend. I got work tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday. So it's like might just take a morning off tomorrow and sleep in and enjoy. Stop the bleeding, right? All right, guys. I will see everyone soon. Have a great weekend. If I don't see you tomorrow. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. I'm not a pro, but just being able to get to payouts is my goal. All right, guys. Take care. Peace out. Thank God Apex extended the promo. I'll get some more evals. We'll be right back to 20 accounts. It's just obviously now a whole step back to get to payouts, right? I will miss the payout in July, the second half of July, which I was hoping to get a nice payout then too. But you never know what's gonna happen. So like you guys said, take the money when you have it. So I did. Thank God I did. I'm gonna go for a drive with Chip. I'm gonna go for a car wash. I could go wash my car finally. I gotta start planning my garage build. I almost started and then I realized it's gonna take a lot more work than I initially thought, and I just have to hire someone to do it. Or I gotta actually put in the time to do it. Because I could do it, my dad's very handy, but just there's like a concrete wall, and I don't know. I want to make my garage like a sick see if I could find something like this. I want to make my garage something like this. Like that. And my doors are black, so it'll look nice. I don't know about the carbon fiber outlets, but maybe. I don't know if I could afford real carbon fiber, you know? I don't know. It's funny, my brother's driving it now, and he's liking it. My dad asked me if I gave it to him. I'm like, no, I just haven't listed it for sale. It's probably gonna be like, what, 30 grand? Let's see. Let's see what the Boxsters are worth with that much miles on them. Bye. I would love to do a giveaway, like the sweepstakes giveaway for the Boxster, but I don't think that's possible. 2014, 16, search, trim. See, like, that's 47 grand. That's a lot. What the hell? I bought mine like this. Mine was like 40 something thousand miles on it. That's how I bought mine. Wow, 49? Whoa, did they go up in price? Oh, maybe because they announced the electric ones now. I mean, I would sell mine for 30,000. I don't know why it's Houston, but Oli, what do you mean? When did you get approved? You want to get your mom something nice? I don't know if my car would be the choice. But it's lowered. If I put stock suspension on it, then yeah. Yeah, you do. Porsche all day, every day. All right, guys. I'm gonna head out. Peace out. Bad day, bad week. What are we gonna do? You just gotta get back on it and get better. Today was a losing day. Last 2 other days should have been winning days, and they were red days because I didn't let my winners go to targets. Today, There was none except that one trade I took that missed me by a tick. That would have put me green on the day too. Who knows how I would have handled it since then, you know? I forgot about that. There was a trade that I was break even on the day, so I took 2 losses. I got 1 win. And then I took another trade and missed me by 2 ticks, and I got break even on that. Who knows? If I would have won on that trade, maybe I would have never traded again. There's a lot of things that could have happened differently, and that's just trading, right? Sometimes things are gonna go good, sometimes things are gonna go bad, and we just gotta... I got 10 left. 10 left, but I also got, you know, I got 4 with bull knocks. I got 2 with top step. You know, we're still fine. Still hoping for a 50K payout in July total. Couple more grand, couple more accounts from Apex. We'll get to payout hopefully, and then we'll be fine. All right, guys. Later, I'm gonna go for a car wash. First car wash on the new baby. All right. Take care, guys. Peace out. Adios.